Good morning everyone. My name is Yuvraj Joshi and you are watching your Java Lab live session. Earlier we talked about scanner classes, scanner objects and also made a menu driven program based on calculator, also the areas of different polygons. Today we will talk about two things. First one is we will solve your two experiment problems or problem statements, and second I will I will teach you about arrays. So let's continue. As we said about two experiment problems, for first problem statement is program to find if the given numbers are friendly pair or not. That means amicable or not. Friendly pair are two or more numbers with a common abundance. For example, 6 and 28 are friendly pair. You can say the divisors, sum of the divisors of 6 upon 6, or you can say 6, that is not upon, it is or, equals to sum of divisors of 28 or 28. You can say the sum of divisors or that are simply called factors. Sum of the factors of 6 will be equals to 28, and the sum of factors of 28 will be equals to 6. This is the another example of the amicable numbers. Like here we have given 220 and 284. So you can see that 220 into 1, that is 220. 110 into 2 equals to 220. 55 into 4 equals to 220. 44 into 5 equals to 120, 220. 22 into 10 equals to 220. 20 into 11 equals to 220. And there are other factors which are when multiplied gives 220. So at the bottom of this 220 table is given the number of factors, the sum of the number of factors of 220, that is equals to 284. And on the another column we can see that divisors of 284. What is it? 284 into 1 equals to 284. 142 into 2 equals to 284. 71 into 4 equals to 284. 4 into 71 equals to 284, and 2 into 142 equals to 284. So at the bottom we can see sum of the divisors 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7, 71 plus 142 equals to 220. That is for the number 1. Here we can deduce that 220 is gonna be our number 1, and 284 will be our number 2. And at the bottom of 220 table you can see its factors sum equals to 284. So that will be sum of the factors of number 1. So or you can say sum underscore num 1 equals to 284. And for the factors of 284, its sum is gonna be 220. So 284 is our number 2, and 220, which came out of this after summing of the factors of 284, will be sum underscore num 2. Here we got our 4 variables. So we will continue with the program. For creating a new class, just go to source, new class, and the name of the class would be amicable number in camel case notation, public static void main, and OK. Then I will create an object. I will use the scanner class for this because I want uh, user to input the data. So scanner sc equals to new scanner bracket system.in. So this is how we'll create an object. System.out.println, enter the first number and then terminator. After this we will make this number 1 equals to sum equals to sc.next int, for telling the computer that number 1 should be entered by user as an integer. Also I have to import the java.util.scanner class, java.util.scanner package. So also I will include the double inverted commas. After that, first I will initialize the num1 variable with 0, and also I am sometimes I'm after some time I'm going to write after about num2, so num2 equals to 0, and then I will just copy and paste this system.out.print line and do make it num2 dot num2 equals to sc dot next int for the second variable. Now just remember that we have to make two tables. Definitely I would not like to see it outside on the console, so it is just for the computer. For the first table, what I will do is I will use the for loop, and I will be the factors of the first variable. So int I equals to 1. It will start from 1 till the num1 itself, and I will give it an increment operator, and it will move till, and it will move from 1 to num1. So inside it what I will do is I will use the if statement. So if num1 mod I equals to 0, or you can say it would be a factor that when divided would give the 0 remainder. So sum num1, you can understand it by this way: sum of the factors of number 1 equals to sum of the factors of number 1 plus I, or you can write it like this: sum num1 plus equals to I, terminator, and copy this first statement and print it for the second variable. Just change the name of the variable given. It would be same for both the numbers. Now what we will do is that uh, it is not complete right now, the program, because we have just given the commands for making the factors. Also I should have to initialize this sum of the factors of number 1 and sum of the factors of number 2, so they can have a value starting from 0. Also I should cancel the initialization of number 1 and number 2 because we don't need it. So what I will do afterwards is I will say, you can see what I should do is sum of the sum of the factors of number 1 will be always equals to number 2 if sum of the factors of number 1 will be equals to number 2, that equals to number 2, and and this is the operator. Also there would be sum of the factors of number 2 that would be equals to number 1. So if this happens, then what it would be, it would be an amicable pair. Both of the numbers would be amicable pairs. This statement completes it. Also I need to have this printed on the console, or I should want it as an output. So what I will do is I will use the println method to get it print on the monitor. This is an amicable pair. Then I will copy this statement. Also I need an else, because what happens if these are not an amicable pair? It would be else not an amicable pair by the println method. So what we did, we can understand it again. We had two numbers and their sums.